This is Rod Kusin Spooman for Risk. It is Friday, December 10th, 2010. All times on the chart are Central Standard Time. A brief video today just to review the trend strategy, which did just fine today. We took a little bit of a dive on the first set of long trades, which took place right in here. Market dropped thereafter, and we had a few more setups right in here as we took out these retracement lines, and then finally we started nailing the dips thereafter. Here, and here, and here, and then we had a few more trades right at the close. But that's what the trend strategy is all about. That's what it's designed to do. It will hopefully get us in on most of the dips, and in so doing allow us to ride whatever the trend is to a reasonable profit target. We don't usually extend the profit target too far because of the possibility of market reversal. So 6 to 8 tick profit target is normal and works usually quite well. Now, for those of us that were trading our strategies today, we did get a bit frustrated simply because we, as you can see, have so many retracement lines below the market, and had every reason to expect that those retracements, or at least some of them, would have been hit. But obviously that's not the way the market went today, and that was really quite a surprise. I don't know of a day in recent past when we had so many reasons to be shorting the market, and yet it continued to hit new highs all the way, even past the bell, into the final minutes of a Friday. I gotta wonder what it is these traders are thinking about Monday, because next week is liable to be a pretty rocky week if they don't wind up extending that Bush tax cut. So we're looking for a potential very severe market sell-off next week, based primarily upon the absence of an extension of the capital gains tax credit into next year. Now, in a little bit of the time that we have left in this video, wanted to just review one of the reasons that today was so frustrating for us. We like to follow the VIX. The VIX is very useful in predicting the trend. But the VIX, as you can see, continued to move up all the way into about 10:30. Normally we would have expected by then a new low for the day, but we didn't. So in that respect, the VIX was quite a bit divergent, and we should have expected then the market to go up, because usually when we have a new high on the VIX, we have a new low on the Spoos. When that's not the case, yeah, chances are the market's going to move the other way. It's way overextended. But now, that having been said, this is as far down as it went. And then it went sideways, dropped a little bit more here, and then started that march back up again, and yet the market continued to move higher. That's a very unusual pattern. We just simply don't see that take place with any amount of frequency. So very frustrating for those of us who were caught in some short trades as the market continued to move up, and there was just really no opportunity to bail on those trades or even to make much of a profit on them. Now here's another thing that we were watching that, of course, pretty much confirms this rally, particularly after 10:30. Right in here, as you can see, one of our indicators, which is being plotted on the SPINX, or pardon me, the ESINX, has been consistently above fair value. The center line here is fair value for today, -520, and throughout the course of the day, it pretty much managed to stay above fair value until right in here, and then it resumed its move back up, and then even went much higher during the last half hour. Very, very surprising. Now what's interesting about that, if you know how to read this and you've got the capital to do so, anytime you're here at a dip is a good time to go long. Very good time to go long. But those are just some of the additional concepts that we work with at risk. So we invite you to come to our website, peruse the work that we're doing, call us, ask for a demonstration. We'll do it live or after the hour, after the market closes. We also have a chat room. It is a private chat room at this point in time. However, if you email us, we'll be happy to discuss it with you, and we'll welcome you as a guest. Other than that, we wish you all a good weekend. This is Rod Kusin and Spoonman for Risk.